Dear friend, today I have made a video on false ceiling work and it is mainly cover the defect of false ceiling work. This PPT mainly on experience basis during the work and I am working in a high-rise business project where defects are basically we are facing during the handover of the building and uh, most of the complaint is coming from the customer. So hope it will help you to take the precaution and before start of the work. But here I have done some defect uh, which I will explain to you. Yeah, I have given some of the defects which are mainly we are facing during the work, and these are mainly given below. The damages of gypsum board due to improper handling and storage, installation of improper level of framework, sagging and bulging of false ceiling, improper match of false ceiling board, improper cutting and fixing of framing materials, improper coordination between the MEP and civil team, improper surface preparation for painting on gypsum board, improper material for framing material, damages of a board for false ceiling, improper framing drawing for false ceiling work, improper gap filling between wall and board. These are the defects basically we are facing during the work, and now I will explain how it will be we can control these defects during the work. Dear friends, there is some photos which I have given here. These are the false ceiling defect. Basically, we are observed in false ceiling work. Joint is not much proper, and you have seen that the board which has been fixed, the joint is not proper. One photos I have attached that the work has been MEP work still balanced after completion of the false ceiling. So there is some improper photos of improper coordination between the MEP and civil work. Here is I have given some photos of damage of the board. This is mainly occur due to improper stacking of material. Initially, dear friend, I have given some list of defects. Now I am going to explain the one by one. One is damages of gypsum board due to improper handling and storage. The board, gypsum board, those e-board or tile board, those are coming for false ceiling work. It is very important the material to be stacked properly. Otherwise, there is a chances of damages because the fixing of the gypsum board side by side or parallel to each other, the corner should not be damaged. If there is some damage, so it will affect the workmanship of the work and finally handover during the handover the false ceiling work. So the care should be taken during the stacking of the false ceiling work. Lot of time we have seen that sagging or bulging of the false ceiling. The board those are basically fixed in the framework. It has been observed that it is sagging or bulging after the completion of the work. So the framing on which the false ceiling board are fixing, the approved subdrill should become such that there should not any should not take proper care before installation of the framing work. So care should be taken and work should be done as per the soft drawing of the framing work. Next one is installation of improper level of framework. The false ceiling those are were fixed in a kitchen or bathroom or corridor area. The level should be proper. The level basically start taken from the floor level, the where the false ceiling level should become is mentioned in drawing. So the level shifting of level is very important for the false ceiling work. So care should be taken and the level to be transferred from floor level by basically we are doing the broom marking on the floor. So care should be taken to take the level for false ceiling work. Next one is the improper match of false ceiling board. The false ceiling work should be done by the skilled manpower. Otherwise, there's the problem should come. So for when the false ceiling board is to be fixed on the frame, so their pseudo should not fix to be done by properly, and the level of each time the level should be taken. So their care should be taken during the fixing of the false ceiling board. Basically, we have next point. I am talking about the framing material. It has been observed inside most of the sites. The material those who are on which the gypsum board or false ceiling board which to be fixed. The framing material, most of the person are not taking care for checking of the material, such that the perimeter, ceiling header or intermediate material those are used for framing of the material. It has been not checked. So there is a chance of lackiness, so care should be taken, and the material thickness or size, length, all should be checked as per the soft drawing, and care should be taken, and their spacing also important. So there should not be more spacing as per as from the approved drawing. So framing material also important for the wall ceiling work. Improper coordination between MEP civil team. Coordination between the MEP and civil team very important for the mainly for false ceiling work. If there is any MEP work such that plumbing work or some work is balanced and the false ceiling work is completed, so there is a chances of uh, break the false ceiling work. Some of the dismantle some portion of the false ceiling work should dismantle. So care should be taken such that when the false ceiling work will start, it should be kept in mind that all the MEP work should be completed. So then the next activity should be start for false ceiling work. It has been observed that after the completion of the fixing of the board, the painting is or last or the painting work is going on. In basically for in gypsum board there is a joint, and the joint is basically done by the tape. Tape is fixed on the board, and after that there is a putty work or POP work is done. So care should be taken on joint, uh, such that there should not no shade deviation should come after painting of the gypsum board. Basically, it is in painting point, but care should be. It is also part overall. It is a part of false ceiling, so care should be taken. Thank you guys for the watching of these small videos I have basically done on false ceiling work. So basically, this false ceiling work only on gypsum board. I hope you all are know the type of false ceiling, different type of false ceiling are available in the in our industry.